if you're on YouTube and you're looking at videos like this and you're trying to find the best templates for market research because you figured out that if you can sell a simple market research template to a business owner, then you can upsell them on other things. And I want to introduce you to 510 automation workflows that you can find and sell to potential clients. So what we've got here is 510 different workflows. They're all listed on the n8n website. You've got to go to the right place, and what I'll do is I'll include a link down in the description so you can get to all of these. But if you want to work with creators who are on YouTube, then this AI YouTube Trend Explorer might be something that you could use. Or maybe you want to build your own YouTube channel, but you don't know where to start. If you've got somebody who's building their business on Instagram, maybe a local business, then finding top performing Instagram reels and saving the insights and then sharing those insights with them might be a great foot in the door strategy that you want to explore. News research, tracking the top social medias, automating investor intelligence. If you want to go away and collect that information and share it with investors, there's an absolute ton of workflows here. And remember, you get the template, so you don't have to do anything with these. All you have to do is open them up. So if I click on this one here, most of them are free. So if I click this button, then I can just copy it and put it into n8n. You're going to get all the information about what it does, all the key benefits, so you can start to think about how you could use it. This one even tells you who it is for, so you can try and figure out exactly who you would want to go ahead and sell this to. And you can take a look at the n8n workflow itself, see exactly how it works, all the different sections, and you can just sort of scroll through and decide if this is something that you want to sell to business owners or something maybe you want to edit and use yourself. So if you are interested in doing market research, definitely use that first link down in the description. Another place you can go for great workflows is my newsletter. You can click into any of these. You get the workflow, tells you what it does. It gives you a link so you can download the workflow straight away. We give you ideas on exactly how you could use this in order to make money from it, as well as a weekend hustle section, which tells you exactly how you could go ahead setting this up and doing outreach in order to have either something working for yourself by Monday or some messages sent out to get yourself your first client. So first link in the description if you want to reach all of these agents that help you with market research. We'll see you in the next one.